Hi, welcome to Ditzy Beauty, and today I'm doing a Boxycharm Boxycharm unboxing with you guys. So this is my first ever Boxycharm box. I've never received one at all, so this is all new to me, and I'm super excited. I have been subscribed to a makeup channel before, or a subscription, and I had Ipsy. And after a while, I had actually paid for a year subscription, and it just kept getting worse and worse, and I felt like I wasn't getting much product, and I didn't like it anymore, so let's try Boxycharm now. So, when I first open this box, we get a Afterglow card, and I've heard, yeah, it has the pricing of all the products and what is listed in your box. But I'm just gonna jump right in. First off, I have the No Pore Problem Primer. And it's a decent size, like, I'm really impressed with this. And we're gonna just, oh, here it comes. Just gonna do a little squirt to see what it's like. So you can see the back of my hands, some of like the wrinkles and stuff. So let's kind of see what happens. It does make my hand feel like super soft, and yeah, kind of like it. I like how it's like a pink color, and then it ends up being very translucent. Next off that I'm finding in my box is the Tree Squaw lip, and it opens. Ooh, look at this. I am loving the shape of this. Like, I'm super excited for this shape of this lipstick. And you get quite a bit of product, and I know I am I heard this is magnetic, so let's test this. We start here. Ooh, did you see that yet? Oh. Let's try that again. Ooh, it's magnetic. So I'm kind of excited for that. That's different. I also watch Boxycharm on Instagram and stuff, so I knew that down here was the lip primer. So we will be trying this on here in a little bit. And then I got the Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Oh my gosh, there's something all over this. Oh, I think it's the highlighter I know that's in this from watching the, it is. There's highlighter all over this, so I hope my highlighter is okay. So, Pharmacy Clean Bee. Let's see if we can smell it. Now, I have been told, well, I haven't been told. I know I can't smell, like, for the life of me, so if I can smell something, that is amazing. There's a seal. Good thing I didn't just open the bottle and was like, I can't smell it, so I don't know. Oh, that's not trash, my bad. So hopefully we'll try this and see what happens. I was actually just talking to my boyfriend that I ran out of face wash, and I usually use Purity by Philosophy. So this will be a good new try. Then next in our box, we have the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, which I've heard amazing things about. I've actually had a sample version of this. Currently, I'm using by Benefit. I think it's called They're Real or something. Yeah, I'm using They're Real by Benefit currently, so I'll swap this out. And I love, there's like, this is metal, I think. Like, this is very heavy feeling, and this isn't. So that's kind of, I don't know, different. And then last, I don't know how I feel. Oh, mine's broken. I got a broken highlighter. It is in my box, and I'm kind of disappointed because this is my first box ever, and I get a broken piece of makeup. And what I had was the Shimmering Swan highlighter by Glow. Yeah, and Glow Up. So, I can try to open this, but like I said, it is, yeah, it's busted. I wish you could hear. You can see that it is completely crumbled. Not happy at all. I'm gonna try to shut this. I will take a little bit to swatch. Definitely, that one's gonna be hard. I wonder if I can tell them that or say, hey, I got a broken product. I highly doubt they're gonna do anything. We'll find out. But here's a swatch of it. It's somewhat pretty. Yeah. Very nudish. I would enjoy it. I think I'm really upset that it's broken. Like, I've been looking forward to this box. I was kind of sad. I have 2 friends that get this box, and they got their boxes a day early, and I got mine on time. But I'm very upset that it's broken. I've heard such good things about them, and my palette, it looks like someone literally just crumbled it. Like, everything else in my thing was fine, but this is shattered, like dust particles. Replace it. Well, anyways, let's try this lipstick. Let's see. Oh wait, I'm supposed to use that primer first. Yeah, I almost dropped it all. So we'll take the primer. That feels nice. And then we take the lip. Now remember, it's this weird shape. So let's see. How am I supposed to apply it? I guess this way. So maybe apply it this way, not this way. You want to go up and down. So far, it's a really pretty color. Sorry, my mirror's off to the side, so I'm like, ah. So that's that. That's really pretty. I'll do a swatch on the back of my hand so you guys can, you kind of got to layer it though, I feel, to build a product. Like, but it's a really pretty, like, mauve-y reddish color. So I do like the fact that it's magnetic. Super stoked about this cleanser and the primer and the mascara, but everything so far. The Too Faced mascara is $24. Pretty Vulgar is $32. The Touch and Soul, oh, that's the primer, No Problem Pore Primer, is $18. The Clean Bees facial cleanser is $22, and the Tresquar primer and glazed lip crown, $25. So that is what I've received in my box, and thank you for watching. Hope you like, subscribe, and comment.